That transition caught me off guard. Who do you think got lower health bar?
These niggas out here snitching. They with the rat pack.
If it wasn't caught on camera, nobody would believe him. Bro, in fact, did not slow down.
Mark, slow down!
What happened here?